Export and download invoices, reports in PDF or CSV formats in Busy Online. Just like in the Busy desktop software, where you can export invoices and reports to PDF or CSV formats, similarly in Busy Online, you can also export and download invoices and reports in PDF or CSV formats. Let's take a look. To do that, first we will open Busy Online and specify the login credentials. After that, Busy will open. Then we will open the company and see how to export invoices to PDF in Busy Online. For this, we will open a sales invoice in Modify mode and click on Print tab or use the Alt plus P shortcut. We will select the invoice format and click on Export. Then we will choose the desired format such as PDF and click OK. Doing this will export the invoice into PDF format. But remember, since your data is on the cloud, the file won't open directly from here. So, we will proceed to download this PDF. To download, we will click on the toolbar at the top and select Documents. Upon doing this, a window will appear at the bottom right, displaying the exported file. To download the PDF file, we will simply click on the download button and specify the location. Once done, the invoice PDF will be saved on your system. You can then click on the file to open and check it. Similarly, if you want to export any other report, such as the sales list, you will open it and click on the export button. If you wish to export it in PDF format, you will select the PDF option. Currently, we choose the CSV option, and by clicking OK, the report will be exported in CSV format. Then you will download this file and save it on your system. Thus, in this way, you can export and download invoices and reports in PDF or CSV formats using Busy Online. For more such videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.